Bye, 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 funky birdies. So glad y'all migrating. See y'all next spring. Bye. Ooh. Your building is 40 stories or higher. They're asking Chicago to turn your lights off at night. It confused the birds. They're migrating. And birds don't see glass. Some get killed and hurt. So they're asking you if your building is 40 stories or higher. 11 p.m. Cut the lights off until November. Close your blinds. Come on, don't put politics in this. Don't kill these birds because you mad at somebody. These birds ain't got shit to do with politics. And they talking about they ain't cutting their lights out until they fix what's right on the ground. Ain't that some shit? So they put the birds in it. Go birds.